Hello, good morning idol. So magbabakas tayo ngayon dito sa Cordon pa rin. So episode 52 na po tayo dito sa ating treasure hunt. Good morning. So dito tayo magbabakas idol. Yan mga idol. So good luck everyone. So have a nice day. Good morning. God bless day. So good morning. Ang bata. Tutok na. Okay, God bless day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.